Hello guys, today we did this thing today. This is a coming boy the toy today. I did the today. Wait, go! Alright, here is the day the toy today. There are two boys the toy back. I want to take you by today. Here you want the toy. That's already. That was the two boys. They want to die. Everyone can be boy, the toy boy. Take the toy to the bed. I love it to come be boy.
Acontece que os materiais do professores podem ser extraídos por ela.
Alright, we need to come boy! Wait, I want to come boy. Alright, we need to come boy. Everyone do it boy. What do we do boy?
You ugly bird.
Oi, wait that! Hello?
Behind you, Cuter.
Hello? Oh, do it, my dog. Oh, where's the caído?
That's right, I'm here to tell you that your bird is ugly.
What?
Hurry up. Oh, I'm not kidding.
How?
Look at me. What does that mean? Type faster.
Where, better? Wait,
Hey, where are you
what do
going?
you want to
Come
do?
back here.
Go back
Come back
here.
here,
I didn't know it today. Okay, do it with the boy, dude. What boy did it? You were better today. I did the gummy boy and no way today. What do you do? Okay, the boy, the right. Okay, hold it down.
Did you
Wait,
just call me
we
annoying?
were the
I'll
tiny
have
boy.
you
Did that? Oh my God! What happened? Oh my God! I don't do it. I'm happy back. I'll do it. Bye. Oh, I didn't know it today. Oh, what did the gummy boy didn't know it today? Oh my God! This is the gummy boy. Who did the gummy boy? Okay, how I protect that? I'll deal with this boy. Alright. Okay. Alright. I want to die with today. Not be the day. Bye!